What if I told you that the next breakthrough in investing isn't a new stock, crypto, or real estate? It's AI. Artificial intelligence is already reshaping the way smart investors grow their portfolios. In this video, I'll show you how you can use AI-driven tools to maximize your returns, make smarter decisions, and even predict market trends. Stay with me, because if you're not using AI yet, you're about to get left behind. The future of investing is here. AI is no longer just for tech geeks. It's becoming the backbone of some of the most profitable investment strategies out there. Tools like Robo-advisors, algorithmic trading bots, and AI-driven research platforms are giving everyday investors a powerful edge. And here's why. AI can process massive amounts of data faster than any human and spot trends that even expert investors might miss.
AI-driven funds have already outperformed traditional hedge funds in recent years. This shift signals a new era in investment strategies, where machine learning and data analytics take the forefront. AI trading algorithms make millions of calculations per second, enabling them to predict small market shifts before they happen. As we embrace this technological advancement, the landscape of trading is evolving rapidly, offering unprecedented opportunities for investors.
Here's the secret sauce. AI isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about predicting the future. Using machine learning and advanced algorithms, AI tools can forecast historical data, social sentiment, news articles, and even earnings reports in seconds. The result? You get real-time alerts and recommendations that are fine-tuned to current market conditions. Hedge funds like Renaissance Technologies have used AI models to generate double-digit returns, even when the market tanked. For instance, AI tools might analyze hundreds of news articles, looking for patterns like how certain industries perform when interest rates rise. It then compares these patterns to past stock movements and can predict which stocks will rise or fall, often with stunning accuracy. Okay, so how can you get in on this? Let's talk about some of the best AI-powered tools you can start using today to upgrade your investing game. Tool 1. Robo-advisors, e.g. Betterment, Wealthfront. These are automated investment platforms that use AI to build and manage your portfolio. They balance your risk tolerance and goals, constantly adjusting based on market performance. Tool 2. AI trading bots, e.g. Trade Ideas Algorize. Want to trade like the pros? AI trading bots use real-time data to execute trades on your behalf, helping you profit from small market movements you'd otherwise miss. These bots run 24/7, meaning you can literally make money while you sleep. Tool 3. AI research platforms, e.g. Kahoot, AlphaSense. These platforms scan thousands of stocks and financial documents to offer the best investment insights. It's like having a Wall Street analyst in your pocket. Now, as amazing as AI is, it's not foolproof. It's important to remember that AI is a tool. It's only as good as the data it's trained on. Here are 3 common mistakes you should avoid when using AI in investing. Mistake 1. Over-reliance on AI. Just because the AI says buy doesn't mean you shouldn't do your own research. Mistake 2. Ignoring long-term strategy. AI can help with short-term trades, but it doesn't replace a solid long-term investing plan. Mistake 3. Following trends blindly. AI can get swept up in market hype, so always consider the fundamentals. AI is the future of investing, but the future starts now. If you want to stay ahead of the game, you need to start using these tools today. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join the Quantum Wealth community, where we bring you the latest in finance, investing, and wealth building strategies. Also, comment below if you're already using AI in your investments, or if you've got questions, I'd love to answer them.